Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind, and welcome back to an all new episode of Voice of Red Hackle, a podcast of the Kiddits, by the Kiddits, and for the Kiddits.
Today, we are here for a very special episode, an episode that celebrates song, symbol, and a story that inspires millions out there.
Today, we're exploring Vande Mataram, its journey from a poem to a song, its deep meaning, and its meaningful call that it still gives to all Indians.
वंदे मातरम की रचना 1875 में बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय द्वारा की गई थी। यह गीत संपूर्ण राष्ट्र में एकता, अखंडता और साहस का संदेश देता है।
He composed it in Sanskritized Bengali at a time when India was under colonial rule, politically fragmented and culturally striving for identity. The term Vande Mataram itself means I bow to the mother, referring to the motherland.
वंदे मातरम केवल एक गीत नहीं है, ये क्रांतिकारियों की पुकार है और 140 करोड़ देशवासियों का जज्बा है।
In 1896, when Vande Mataram was sung in the Congress session, it became a nationalistic anthem. And finally, in 1950, when India became a republic, it was declared as a national song. From a novel's page to the heart of a nation,
What a journey!
rich with flowing waters, full of fruits and harvest, cooled by the gentle breeze from the Malaya hills, green with crops and field, I bow to thee, mother.
O mother, with the nights bright in the moonlight and full of joy, beautiful with the blooming trees, sweet of smile and gentle of speech, giver of happiness and blessings, I bow to thee, mother.
I bow to you, mother. You shine in many colors, grey, red, and dark. You are bright like a silver river. You take away all our pain and fear, O mother.
I bow to you, land of Bharat. You are always worshipped, the one who supports all. You are Durga, who destroys evil, and Lakshmi, who lives on the lotus. O mother.
You are knowledge. You are faith. You live in every heart. You are the life in every being. O Mother India, I bow to you. Now, 150 years later, why does Vande Mataram still matter?
Patriotism isn't about limiting oneself to the national flags and songs. It goes far deeper than that. It talks about protecting, nurturing, and caring for our homeland.
Lines like Sujalam Sufalam encourage us to take care of our rivers, crops, and our environment. It is a call to preserve India's natural and cultural environment.
During the freedom struggle, millions of people came together and sang Vande Mataram together, transcending religion, region, and language. Today, it is still an inspiration for all the people out there.
Yes, and while there were references to goddess imagery and to armed struggle, the essence is still inclusive. Yes, and while there have been references to goddess imagery and to armed struggle, the essence has always been inclusive. To celebrate courage, beauty, and shared responsibility.
Vande Mataram is still relevant in the 21st century and it will always be relevant for the coming time. Vande Mataram talks about the freedom, the struggle, and the one song that brought all of us together. And Vande Mataram essence can never be lost. In short, Vande Mataram, which started as a poem, now became the song of freedom and still holds the essence of pride and devotion in every Indian's heart.
It binds strength, beauty, and devotion together, reminding us that our motherland is not just the past, but a living presence that is supposed to be protected and cherished.
Vande Mataram is not merely consisting of the lyrics or a song, it is the heartbeat of India.
That's all for this episode. Thank you.
Jai Hind.